Welcome to Cisco Unboxed. Today we're going to be showing off the Webex Share. The Webex Share comes in a very small footprint box, so it's easy to ship. If you're shipping a lot of these to your customers, they won't take up a lot of room on your loading dock, which is a good thing. If you go ahead and open the box, you'll find the Webex Share directly on top. Instruction manual, the quick start guide, and then don't forget to pull this small box out from the bottom. In here, you will find the USB cable and AC power adapter. Those are needed for the device to work, so if you misplace those, lose them, or don't take them out of the box, you'll end up running into some issues down the line. You'll have to order a replacement. The actual Webex Share itself is a nice small device. You'll find an HDMI cable already connected to it, so you don't have to have one. But if you do find that you want to attach another HDMI cable to this to extend it a small distance, you can do that as well with an HDMI extension cable. On the side here, you've got a USB connection. That's where your USB charger is going to connect to. On this side, you have the ultrasonic speaker. That ultrasonic speaker is what allows you to connect to Webex Teams. And then you have the two different microphones on either side of this. This allows Webex Teams to know when you're speaking, so if you're in a meeting, it knows that you're then talking, and it can actually know that that's you. That's pretty much everything that's going to come in this box. Very simple, very easy setup. It doesn't take a lot of time. Once you actually get into the Webex platform, it's really simple to use. Thank you.